Do you know the names of common foods in English? Let's learn together. Bread. Bread. A baked food made from flour, water and yeast. Milk. Milk. A white liquid from animals, rich in nutrients and calcium. Egg. Egg. A food from birds, often cooked and very nutritious. Apple. Apple. A sweet fruit that grows on trees and is eaten fresh. Banana. Banana. A long yellow fruit that is soft, sweet and healthy. Orange. Orange. A round citrus fruits with juicy flesh and vitamin C. Mango. Mango. A sweet tropical fruit with soft flesh and strong flavor. Potato. Potato. A root vegetable used in many cooked dishes worldwide. Tomato. Tomato. A red fruit used as a vegetable in cooking. Onion. Onion. A vegetable with strong smell used to add flavor. Garlic. Garlic. A small bulb used to give strong taste to food. Carrot. Carrot. An orange vegetable that is crunchy and good for eyes. Cucumber. Cucumber. A long green vegetable often eaten raw in salad. Spinach. Spinach. A green leafy vegetable rich in iron and vitamins. Chicken. Chicken. Meat from a bird, widely eaten around the world. Fish. Fish. An animal from water eaten as healthy protein food. Beef. Beef. Meat that comes from cows and is rich in protein. Pork. Pork. Meat that comes from pigs and is cooked in many ways. Cheese. Cheese. A dairy food made from milk with many flavors. Butter. Butter. A soft dairy product made from milk cream. Yogurt. Yogurt. A thick dairy food made from fermented milk. Soup. Soup. A liquid food made by cooking vegetables or meat. Salad. Salad. A fresh dish made from raw vegetables or fruits. Pizza. Pizza. A flatbread with cheese, sauce and toppings. Burger. Burger. A sandwich with meat or vegetables inside bread. Sandwich. Sandwich. Food made by placing fillings between two bread slices. Pasta. Pasta. An Italian food made from flours, shaped in many forms. Noodles. Noodles. Long, thin strips of food made from flour or rice. Cake. Cake. A sweet baked food eaten on birthdays or celebrations. Biscuit. Biscuit. A small baked snack that is sweet or salty. Chocolate. Chocolate. A sweet food made from cocoa beans. Ice cream. Ice cream. A frozen sweet dessert made from milk and sugar. 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 A sweet substance added to food and drinks. Salt. Salt. are white minerals used to add taste to food. Well, a liquid fat used for cooking and frying food. Honey, or natural sweet food made by bees. Tea, a hot drink made by boiling leaves in water. Coffee, a hot drink made from roasted coffee beans. Juice, a drink made from fresh vegetables or fruits. Water, a clear liquid essential for life and health. Corn, a yellow grain eaten as vegetable or flour. Beans, small seeds cooked and eaten as protein food. Lentils, small dried seeds used in soups and curries. Rice pudding, a sweet dish made by cooking rice and milk. Fried rice, cooked rice mixed with vegetables, eggs, or meat. Curry, a spicy dish cooked with vegetables or meat. Sausage, ground meat packed in a long thin shape. Steak, a thick slice of meat cooked by grilling. Pancake, a flat cake cooked on a pan, often eaten sweet. Rice, an edible grain grown worldwide, used as a staple food. That's all for today. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.